Okay, this is me once again, the online university guy coming at you, and we're going to go ahead and be doing some, excuse me, some, it's basically an introduction to online tools for your classes. One of the benefits of online, I mean yell on the mic there, is using your phone, which I'm going to show you right now. Using the phone is definitely one of the benefits of online. When I don't have my tablet available, which is something that I do use, probably more than I do my phone when it comes to studying. I use my phone and I use my tablet, and this right here allows me, it's got like a little thing in the back where I can, hold it like this. And I got it in my hands. I've got a pen right here. I just take that out, and it's got a stylus on it, as you can see. And of course, it's a regular pen. See that there? And then, of course, it's a stylus. Hey, hey, hey. Which is really cool because I can do some pretty cool things. What has happened is one of the tools I wanted to talk about today is, if you can see here, Microsoft Word. Yes, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Note. Also, they're doing what is called basically an introduction or a preview of Outlook, all for Android devices, which is really good. The Word is amazing. I want to show you something really cool here. Oops, excuse me. I'm going to open up Word here now, so I'm going to disappear, and Word's going to come up. What I use is I paid for a 4-year license for what is called Office 365 University. Gives you 4 years, allows you to put it on 2 different devices. I have it on my computer and I have it on my tablet. And what's nice is you see all this information here. Okay, there I am right there. Hello. Anyways, these are the recent files. If you want to open up other files, you just go here and you can see all the files that you might have worked on. Well, what I want to do is I'm going to go to new. Okay, but what's interesting is I'm going to show you with my tablet, which is right, oops, which is right here, okay, and I'm going to show you how it looks on my tablet, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on new on my tablet, which is really cool, and I'm going to just key out a real quick this is a test document, and then I'm going to go stop, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now remember, when I go ahead and click here, I have all this stuff here. I go back to recent. Okay, these are all the different files and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this document test document. That way you can see save as, and I can put it anywhere I want to. I'm going to put it into my documents folder, and we'll put it under CSU Global Main. So we're going to go into my documents folder, CSU Global Main. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, and I'm just going to put it down here and just go save. And now what I've done is I've actually saved the, I'm going to show you here on my thing. I actually saved it. See, it looks just like regular old on my desktop. I saved the document. I'll show you up there. It says test document. Now what's cool is this is actually going to share it with my desktop. So what I want to do, if I want to go ahead and open something, I go open documents, and we can go down to, oops, shoot, go here. Okay, and there's global main. Remember I talked about that, so we'll click on that. And this is really cool because, and now we have, there's test document right there. See, I just click it, and bam, it's open. And now not only do I have this test document here, I can go ahead and do some work in it. Oops. This is part of my second. This is the second part of my document. Oops. We'll say document review. Document tool review. Yay. We just save it. Actually, we'll do something more cool. Check this out. Watch. We'll go ahead and insert a picture, which is really cool. Pictures. Bink. And then we'll just find a picture that's available. I'll pick something simple. Let's go ahead and we'll use Mr. Rudy Relaxing. We'll go ahead and hit save. Bam. Okay. So now we know that it's being saved, showing you right there. It's uploading to OneDrive. Now what's cool, okay, so I can go ahead and go out of here. Closes the document. Now I want to show you this document, okay, is now going to be on this right here. And what I'm going to do is it shows test document downloaded from OneDrive. I'm going to click on that. Okay. And you notice here it says refresh recommended. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, it shows you that yellow bar. If I hit refresh, what it's going to do is it's going to close the document, it's going to reopen it, and voila, there's the document right there on my thing. So if I'm at school, or let's say I'm at work and I'm doing some work there, and I don't have my computer available because you can't be carrying your laptop with you everywhere. So I'll go ahead and I'll take my tablet with me to work. So on my lunch break and different breaks, I can update, do my schoolwork, save it, because this tablet also is connected to AT&T's data network. I can go ahead and save it into the folder that I have on OneDrive, which is important to get OneDrive. OneDrive is a good tool. And then I can go ahead and come home. I open this up. I go, okay, I want to go ahead and go open. And I know I've worked on test document, and bam, okay. And I could change it. See, this is the way it looks right now. See, there's just, this is a test document. This is the second part of my document tool review. I added this picture. Well, I can go ahead and let's add another. We'll just save it right there. Go save. Okay. So what I do is I close this down. Okay, I'm busy. I'm going to school. I'm going to work. I come back from work. It's lunchtime. I say, well, you know what I want to do is I want to go ahead and let's go ahead and go down. I want to put in a picture. And so I'm going to click on pictures. It's going to check my device. Oh, there's a picture. Let's add these funny little guys right here, and I'll show you in a second. So it makes sense to have not only this, but then we'll save it. Bink. Saving document. Can't upload your changes conflict with changes made by someone else. Oh, okay, so let's go ahead and we'll just do this. We will discard changes. Okay, yes, discard. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, see, that tells me there's a document that's been updated. So now it's updated everything for me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert picture. Now you saw the document. This is what it's going to look like. I'm not going to open it right now, but I showed you the document. It just has a cat. We're going to go ahead and insert a funny picture opposite of cats. We'll save it. Saving document. I don't get any. See, I put the. You got the cat. That's my cat Rudy, and then here's some happy dogs for Happy Dog Day. And I saved that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go out of here. Let's close it down. Okay. Now I get home, and what I do is I go ahead and I turn on, or I click on my my Microsoft Word, and I go, oops, excuse me, test document. That's what I was working on before. Let me click on that, and anything that's been done, and there it is. Whoa, look at those crazy guys. So there's Rudy the cat relaxing in the living room, and then there's these two happy dogs. And this is the beauty of being able to work with your documents in the cloud. Okay, and there are certainly things that you need to be careful of when you're working in the cloud, and I'm sure you're going to hear all kinds of horror stories about the cloud and its security and stuff. But I'm going to show you in another video how to better protect yourself and your files while they're in the cloud. Schoolwork, you've got it all that you need. You know, OneDrive is all you need. You can use Google Drive if you want to. With OneDrive, if you use the Office 365 University edition, I guess you could say, it's 4 years, basically $80. You get 1 terabyte of backup space. That's a lot for documents and stuff, even with pictures. And if you use your phone to back up your pictures on that account, you get an extra 15 gigabytes. So that's a lot for pictures and all that stuff. You know, some people say, oh, it's not too much for videos. Well, I don't do a lot of video except for this. But what's nice is I can do all that stuff, save it all up online, come home, and do my work. You saw how I could do work on my tablet, and then I come home and I do work on my desktop and finish it up. So all I have to do is go to Open. We can add one more document here. We got these cats and dogs, dogs and cats, cats and dogs, dogs and cats. Oh my. Okay, let's go here. Oops. Go back. Okay. Oh, there they are. Okay, yeah, we don't want to go there. See if we can get this down here. Alright. I don't know why that's going to happen there. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, doop. No, that's my footer, that's why. Okay. If I shrink this, ooh, put it in the center. Bingo! Set it in the center. It doesn't want to go in the center. Okay, that's alright. Oh, we'll click on this and see what happens. Let's go ahead and put it in here. In line with text. No, let's go ahead and square. You want to go ahead and get some text going on here. There we go. This is the third online, online tool, lesson tool, whatever we call it. What do we call it up here? Oh yeah, review. Online tools, review. What is cool is you can do all your work from anywhere there is a internet connection and you have the proper devices. There we go. Now this thing here. And internet connection, I'm sure. There we go. Okay. Save. Bam. So when I go ahead and go check it on my tablet, that'll all be updated there. That is just a quick review of some of the tools that are available, and we'll go over a lot more. But this just goes to show you what's available to you for your online students. And there's a lot more traditional universities and colleges that are switching a lot of their classes to online for those who work and can't be in class. And that's another thing we'll talk about. But that's just a quick tool review of Microsoft Word, Office 365 University Edition. This is the Online University Guy, Constantine, your host, and we'll see you on the other side of the next video. Keep studying.